Hi my people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, for those who have not subscribed, please subscribe. For the returning subscriber, welcome so much. I love you so much. Please, let's make Arabic shorba. Welcome. Today we want to make shorba. That is a soup in English, but in Arabic shorba. So for it to make my ingredients, that is onions, tomato, some greens here. There is meat, eggs, and here I've already made my pot already, and this is oil which I'm going to use, and this one. So kama tuko ready safi. Okay, this, it was the end of it. The shorba was very much amazing. Ukipata chance manze itumie vizuri. Thank